Yo, what's up, guys? Today, oh shoot, let me see this. Okay, right now I'm playing Animal Rivals. If you've seen my last video, I didn't have no voice, so I'm just gonna be doing this. So I hope it's better. So we're just gonna hop on some duels. So let's go. I got sniper. If you guys saw in my last video, so let's go.
Yo, Chinese, I bet you holding somebody shit. Damn, everybody's watching us.
Better cook, bro.
I got the goldest loadout. Anybody want to know my loadout?
Nope, I already know what it is.
Boom. Bam. Bada bing.
Okay, that's pretty good.
Yep, I knew it.
No, it's golded. It's just golded.
It's a no scope.
No, no. Yo, what? Okay, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad.
I was expecting to.
Honestly, I think it's pretty fair. He's a King Pong.
Weird. Like
He's an Apex and I'm a Titan too. King Pong's pretty high,
low-key
plus
fair.
the Silverback. So
Me
yeah,
and him are Titans, and
you are not. Yo, he said that he was a Titan, bruh. He said he's a Titan. So.
you're not Titan. What are you talking about? Like, kill your team.
I know, bruh. He's not a Titan.
Like, me and him.
Round starting.
Bro, you're gonna tell bro, Come on, kill him.
Oh my God.
W teams? But that don't mean shit. All I have to do is throw a grenade in, and then we should be able to win every
Round starting.
time.
Dang it, bruh.
Okay, I hit the bun dot ping pong, that was the final.
No.
I'm making I hit me.
Teammate, I'm about to cook,
No,
bruh.
no,
I'm about to cook.
no.
He can't hear me, bruh. Oh wait, he doesn't
Round
have
started.
sniper?
No.
He looks like he has sniper.
Oh, that's sad.
Oh. Yo, my team's about to murder him, bro.
Okay, I can just wait. What is he possibly gonna do? Oh, yeah.
Yo, my teammate just cooked. My teammate just cooked. They can't hear me though.
Thank you
no.
for thank you. You're using SMG,
Please,
and you
please,
cannot
please,
be yapping
please,
right now.
please.
Buddy, you're using SMG.
Holy Baba. I don't want to. I suck, bro. I keep getting sniped by a King Kong. No!
Thank you.
Bad. Bad.
Oh, you
How dare you snipe my teammate?
Okay, how we won last time? I have to like sticky grenade onto you, so if you die, you still have it as a kill.
Round starting.
Okay, go teammate.
Hallelujah. Bro.
Okay, this is my end will. Bro.
Okay, you guys, I'm using my W loadout. I'm tired of this, bro. Using my W loadout time. W loadout
What's
time.
my last round? Yes, go.
Round starting.
He needs Peto Bismol, bruh. Yo, you forgot your Peto Bismol.
I can't katana.
Yo, bruh. You forgot your Peto Bismol.
My team is okay. 1v1 me.
They're not even
1v1 bro.
Yo, but I'm still using. Bye, guys. Oh, shoot. Bye. Wait, what did you say?
Hey, rematch.
Oh, man, I'm on rematch. Wait.
Let's do mansion.
Bro, you sure you want to do big arena, bro?
Yo,
I'm top 20
Yo,
in
okay. So
I'm not-
we're
I'm
doing
not
a
sure
rematch,
if I love
so
big arena.
let's
It's the
hope
best
that
match
I
in the game.
destroy.
I'm top
So
20.
let's go.
I'm top 20 here.
Okay, watch this. I'm gonna destroy
Match
that.
starting.
You kind of look like an Apex's rank. kinda need like 8 Primal Inferior to be that good. You're not even that good, dude.
Round starting.
Shoot, why did I equip pistol?
Yo, you equip pistol, bro.
What?
Yo, teammate, we're cooking, bro. Teammates. Yo, you guys, hope you guys are enjoying this video. But right now, we have to cook. Second.
Round starting.
What the heck? Why did it just freeze like that? Seconds. Frick, I'm about to get sniped. No, I'm not gonna get sniped. Actually, something way worse. Oh my god. Oh, how? Oh, my teammate left me, bro. I guess I'm gonna have to solo this. Watch me ore farm, you guys. Watch me ore farm. Not your farm. Ready?
Round starting.
You got them cooked, bruh. I'm gonna get destroyed. I'm gonna get banged. I'm gonna get
Round
slain.
starting.
Wait, I'm gonna cook. I'm gonna cook. Okay, now think over here. Oh, I'm cooked. Hallelujah, hallelujah, bro. Hallelujah, bro. Hallelujah. Oh, dang it, my other controller disconnected. I'm gonna have to play with my hand.
Round starting.
Yo, why is it so hard? Okay. I can't get him. Bro, I have one hand. Bro, I have one hand.
He's on the yellow block on your side, dude.
Oh, there we go.
Round starting.
Why can't you just do that to me? Why can't you just do that?
This one you went around, bro. That's how you go. That's how you guys cook a 2v, a king
Round
kong
starting.
and a silverback, bro. Oh, okay, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna be posting it in a little. So, please watch my other video where I 5-1'd 8 Primal Emperor. So, as a Titan tune, as you can see. Please, I'm begging you watch it, bro. And that's it. Bye-bye.